Goat is halal. Monkey is haram. Locust is halal. Goose is halal. Elephant is haram. Ostrich is halal. Pigeon is halal. Chicken is halal. Weasel is haram. Crocodile is haram. Stork is halal. Sterling is halal. Lizard is haram. Peacock is halal. Bat is haram. Vulture is haram. Snake is haram. Camel is halal. Cow is halal. Buffalo is halal. Rooster is halal. Pig is haram. Sheep is halal. Dog is haram. Hedgehog is haram. Parrot is halal. Squirrel is haram. Quail is halal. Stag is halal. Hyena is haram. Fish is halal. Wolf is haram. Cat is haram. Eagle is haram.